This is in the wrong mode, isn't it? I'm going to turn this around and it's going to be in the wrong mode. And it is. Okay. Why am I such a disappointment? Was I muted the whole... Oh no. Oh no. I'm going to cry. Oh my god, I can't. I'm such a bloody plank. Good god, I'd ride him like a pogo stick. Oh. Oh, I just stubbed my toe. I stubbed my toe. Oh god, I'm trying. I'm trying not to scream. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, my toe. Whew. Gotta work out all the chav in me before I start the video. You what, bruv? You looking for a fight, bruv? Yeah? Yeah? Come at me, bruv. Come on, come on. See what you fucking made of. Alright? Well, come at me. What was I doing again? Oh shit, I was recording. Oh yeah. Excuse me, madam, I know you might be having a medical emergency out there, but if you could kindly stop dying. I'm trying to record. Please. That's the motherfucking tea. Yes. Why is it whenever I want to record, people suddenly decide that they love messaging me? Go away. I don't want to know you right now. Just stop. Sometimes I just want to curl up and die. I'm all up in your ears now. Hey you, yeah you. Go to horny jail. Yeah, go, just go. What in the name of God is that? I don't even know what that is, but how do I get it off my screen? Oh, thank God I'm finished. I'm so hungry. Oh my God, someone get me food. Oh, good Lord. Oh God. Oh God. No. Please. Oh. Actually worked, it listened. No, it didn't. Excuse me, if you could kindly stop existing. I'm trying to record here. Oh, getting some of that rain ambience. No, I can't sit like that. Too away. Too away? Too far away. Well done. Now, English out the window. Here we go, it started. I'm sorry, I don't remember asking for your fucking opinion, police car. I don't care if someone's been murdered. Just leave the body for like 20 minutes, please. Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy this video and the other content, hi there. Fucking hell. I should be recording. What am I actually doing? Vibing. Procrastination at its finest. God, step on me, Chung-ha. You underestimate the power of the dark side of the Force. If I were a little ickle pineapple, I would hate myself because I hate pineapples. Where was I going with this? Excuse me, Jesus. Hang on, I know a song that I could do in a readout in a really British accent. Hang on. Bring a bucket and a mop for this well, and I can't. Give me everything you got for this wet. Gobble me, swallow me, drip down the side. Drip down inside of me. Quick jump out, for you let it get inside of me. I tell him where to put it, never tell him where I'm about to be. I run him on before. No more. This is cursed. Is that a phone in your back pocket? Because that ass is calling me and I wouldn't mind seeing it vibrate. Who am I speaking to? There's literally no one else here. Why am I using pickup lines all of a sudden? What is wrong with my brain? Am I trying to pick myself up? I can't. I'm a disappointment.